A wonderful view. The pink car that just had like 2 more people.
Anyways, hands up.
Hey, when we go in the church, Rudy, stand in the back.
No.
We just fucking mow them all down.
Make sure we record it. Oh my god.
I'm recording.
I'm gonna start recording now.
Is that guy for real?
I get it recorded as well.
What the fuck? Oh. Damn it, they beat us to it, man.
You want it live?
I'm dead.
I'm dead too. God damn it, they beat us to it.
I killed this
You
guy.
killed that guy, yeah. Whatever. I request a medic. Maybe the medic will come back and revive people and then I'll start killing them again. God damn it, man. Our plan.
There's one guy still there, he's already.
At least we're not the only assholes on the server. That guy disconnected.
We're disconnected.
I just killed a guy.
Oh, that's the guy getting married?
Oh, you killed him. Look how many people.
Oh, they were serious about this fucking roleplay.
Yeah, they were. I actually do roleplay, so it'd be toxic fucks. This guy's pissed.
Hmm.
Fuck you, any fucking roleplay.